What is the scientific method? Hi everyone, and welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're diving into something at the very heart of science, the scientific method. This is the process scientists use to discover new knowledge, test ideas, and build reliable evidence. Let's break it down step by step. 1. Observation. It all starts with observation, paying close attention to the world around us. This could mean noticing patterns in nature, changes in behavior, or results from experiments. Scientists use their senses or tools, like microscopes or sensors, to gather data. For example, a biologist might observe that a plant grows faster in sunlight than in shade. 2. Hypothesis. Next comes the hypothesis, a smart guess. A hypothesis is a testable explanation for what you've observed. It's not just a random idea. It's based on logic and what we already know. In our plant example, the hypothesis might be, plants grow faster because sunlight helps them produce more energy. 3. Experimentation. Now it's time to test the hypothesis through experiments. This step involves changing one thing at a time, like the amount of sunlight, while keeping everything else the same. That way, we can see what's really affecting the results. 4. Analysis. Once the experiment is done, we move to analysis. Scientists look at the data to see if it supports or challenges the hypothesis. They ask, what happened? Why did it happen? Can we trust these results? This is where graphs, statistics, and careful thinking come into play. 5. Replication. To make sure the results are reliable, the experiment needs to be repeated. This is called replication. If the same results happen again and again, it means the findings are more likely to be true. 6. Peer review. Finally, scientists share their results with others through peer review. Other experts check the methods, repeat the tests, and make sure everything adds up. It's like science's version of fact-checking, and it keeps the process honest and accurate. So, the scientific method helps us ask questions, test ideas, and build knowledge that we can trust. Let's recap the steps. Observation, hypothesis, experimentation, analysis, replication, peer review. It's not just for labs. This method is used everywhere from space research to climate studies, medicine, and even technology. Visit www.ctglobal.my. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next CT Academy video.